channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing a package that I got sent from a company by the name of Babalabags. And this company offers bags and shoes, and I did get sent, I'm looking at my phone here, I want to give you the correct name of what I got. I got a medium classic handbag, lambskin black gold metal A. I will have the direct link to the bag that I got sent, and I also will have a discount code down below as well. So be sure to check out the description box. So I have some information about the company that I want to go over really quickly. This company offers bags, shoes, clothes, jewelry, wallets, and belts. Okay, and again, the discount code is going to be down below. Before we get into unboxing this package, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. From the time the company contacted me and I chose which product that I was being sent, it didn't take too long at all for them to have the package delivered. They did use USPS. The package came in a cardboard box like this. And as soon as I find my scissors, we're going to, I don't even know where my scissors are. Let's use what we have. I have this pen, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tape with this pen. Hopefully I don't damage this pen because I really like it a lot. Oh, and the scissors are right here on my lap. Okay, that is much more efficient. I was thinking of taking the bag out of this box for the unboxing, but I'm like, no, I don't want to. I want to see everything with you all. I've never ordered from this company, and so I'm really, I'm right here. I'm in the now with you all. I'm getting to see everything firsthand. So as soon as you open the box, this is what it looks like, and we're gonna go ahead and get the box out. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. And it opens like this. And it's packaged really nicely. Okay, and so this came out of the packaging, Chanel ribbons, and this also came out of the packaging. It comes with a duster. Oh, this is packaged really well. And again, the link is down below, and so is the discount code if you're interested. It has just that new smell. Like, it just smells new. Doesn't have any bad odor or anything like that. I did watch a few unboxing videos from this company, and I know people just, they mention that too. So I was really eager to see what kind of smell I would smell when opening this package. And it doesn't smell bad at all. It smells like just new, just that new smell. And then it also has this like cloth fabric protecting the bag. This is wrapped with plastic. Oh, this feels so good. This feels really, really good. It feels like great quality. Wow, I was not expecting that. Really wasn't. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. It looks really good. I hope that you all can see how well this bag looks. It looks great. Great quality. I'm shocked. I'm trying to take it all in with you all. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like this. It has a zipper here. Now you are able to put your hand, like you can't fit anything in here really, except maybe like a pen, or if you want to stick something up here, you probably can, maybe like a pen, let's see, or like a lipstick liner. Okay, so you could do something like that. See, my pen went right in there. So I probably would keep a pen in there. So you could do that. And then when you lift up this flap, it has a different color, which is really pretty. It has like this burgundy color. I really like the gold accents. And it has some paper inside. Here's what the inside looks like. Pretty good space. I also like the pouches. So you have that one in the middle, and then you have these two on the side. And just for a demonstration, I'm gonna put my pen in it so you can kind of see how far it goes down. So it's a pretty good, covers about this much of my pen. So it's a good pouch size. And then you have the main pouch area. I'm gonna put my phone inside of the pouch or inside of the bag because that's one thing that I like to know when I'm getting bags. It won't discourage me from buying a bag if my phone won't fit inside of it. Like I do have other bags where my phone just, it's not gonna fit inside, but I do like to know. So this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm gonna put that inside and it fits perfectly. A lot of room left. I'm gonna also show you all the back. So here's the back, and it comes with a pouch in the back as well. And the pouch is burgundy on the inside. Y'all can see that. I'm gonna use the pin trick again so that you can see how far the pouch goes down. So covers up about that much of my pen. If I wanted to put my whole pen in here, I could. So I like this bag a lot. It feels really good. We're gonna go ahead and unbox the handles now. It's packaged really well. Wow, this looks really nice and it feels really good too. I thought that this would be a nice bag, but I didn't know that the quality would be like this. I really didn't. I thought it was going to feel really light. Where's my scissors? Here's what the straps look like. Really nice. So if I wanted to just close it up, I'm gonna also take the sticker or the plastic off of this part and this part too. Wow, it's packaged really nice. Has plastic on this part. I'm just going to take that off. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh, I missed another pouch. This is another pouch. This bag has so much room, so many spaces. So we have this zipper part where you can fit like a pen or a lip liner, something small inside. We have these pouches, the main pouch, and then we have this, and then two pouches on the side. And then we also have another pouch. Let me see if my phone can fit in there. And it can. And then we have a pouch on the back. So this bag has so much room. I'm gonna go ahead and close it up. And it looks so good. I'm gonna also show you the bottom. This is so cute. I think I'm in love. This is a great bag. And if you've been watching this channel for a minute, if you've been watching my reviews, you know that I'm going to be honest with you all. I have no reason not to be. This is this quality is great. It feels really good. Does not feel light. This is a good bag. Let me see if there's anything else that I did not go over that I want to make sure that I mentioned. This is also, I don't know if I mentioned it. I think I did. And when I gave you the name of the bag, but this is made out of lambskin. Feels so good. So here are the dimensions and all the information here. I'm going to leave, like I said, the link down below. That way you can pull up the information for yourself. But this is great. This is so cute. So here's another look at the bag. I want to shout out Babalabags again. Thank you so much for sending this bag. Thank you so much for reaching out. I really, really appreciate it. This is a great bag, you all. Please be sure to check it out. If you have any questions, oh, before we go, I also want to show you what came inside of the last pouch that I was gonna go over. So this is what, or that I almost missed. So this is what came inside of it. All right, so this is what comes inside of it. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Again, check out the site, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.